Hey YouTube viewers, one of the viewers of the channel asked me to demonstrate the briquette charcoal that I made. So a shout out goes out to Noah Cruzden. And so Noah, thanks for watching the channel, and I'm going to demonstrate that charcoal right now. So what I have here is, there's the charcoal. I only have a little bit left. I'm going to use my little air tank grill that I made. And I'm also going to fire up my rocket stove, and I'm going to make some sticky ribs and with some honey sriracha sauce, and it's going to be great. So check it out. So my briquettes are solid as a rock. I want you to listen to this. So they're solid as a rock, nice and hard and dry. I'm getting ready to light them up. I got one of my little homemade fire starters in there that I make. Fire starting to come up out of the heat riser. But here's the charcoal. Getting ready to put the ribs on. Well, I think the rocket stove is about at full blast. You can see the fire coming out the heat riser there. Check out the charcoal. Yes, sir. About ready to put those ribs on. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop some applewood pellets down in here. Give me some good applewood flavor. Ooh, gonna hurry up and get this closed. Now those ribs are marinated in soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, chili paste, and a little bit of chili powder, and some brown sugar. And I let them marinate in there. We put them on this morning, so it's been going on for about 5-6 hours. Yeah, the rocket stove is humming right along. Take a look at these ribs cooked with this homemade charcoal. Yes, I kept the charcoal right in the middle. So I'm gonna close the lid, it just smokes. Holding consistent heat. It's burning nice and slow. I mean, this charcoal works awesome. Have to excuse the shaky camera. I'm doing this without my little tripod. Well, the daylight got away from me, so as you can see, it's dark out here now. But I got the second phase of my sticky wings going. I got my pot on my rocket stove. Getting ready to get a nice crisp on the wings so I can then toss them in the glaze and they will be ready. But in the meantime, my homemade charcoal, it's enough heat being reserved that I put some more ribs on there. And as you can see, the charcoal is still going down there. Still holding enough heat to get a nice cook on these ribs. These are actually the rib tips that I had left over. I'm cooking those on the same batch of small charcoal. Or same small batch of charcoal. All right, phase 2. Get a little crisp on those riblets. All righty, there you have it. I'm gonna take a bite out of one of these babies. Sweet, spicy, awesome.